Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a face mask. I found this on the internet and it's really easy to make. The materials you need are 2 rubber bands or 2 hair ties and a bandana or a handkerchief. The first step is to fold the bandana or handkerchief in half. Then you fold it like this and then like this. Then you take your 2 rubber bands or 2 hair ties and loop them on the ends. Next, you take one of the ends and fold it here, and then you open it up and take the other end and tuck this inside so it's secure. Then you take the rubber bands and put them on your ears, and then you have a face mask.